All right, we've got another elevator here. This one's glass. Very neat. What's this? Lödige. Never heard of that brand. Very strange. Interesting. Hydro. Thunk. Oh, it's a holeless telescoping hydro. I didn't even notice that. So why's it got rear doors? Oh, I guess it opens on both sides on the floors? Interesting. All right, back up. These are interesting buttons. That is not a floor. Neat. That's a big thunk there. Anyway, here's the business lounge. I'm a peasant, so I don't go in there. Anyway, that will be it. I guess it's never gonna close. Oh, now it does. Okay, that's all.